Okay, so I'm going to put some in the pan here, so I have it on setting 2 for pancakes. Beautiful. Put it back here on the lid. Now my batter wasn't coming out of the mixer as quick because there are chocolate chips in it. Obviously it would come out quicker, you know, if I just had regular plain batter, but we wanted to put chocolate chips in here, and this is the first time that I'm using this batter mix. That the pancakes don't stick to the pan. I did put a little bit of olive oil on the pan. And I'm just going to flip them over. And cook them on the other side. So this is a pretty cool unit. You know, it has a lot of space in it where you can put, you know, batter mix. The level 1 setting is for like small cupcakes. The level 3 setting is for like cakes, brownies, you know, things like that. So it's a pretty cool product to have, and I highly recommend it for everybody's kitchen. So I'm just going to go back and check and just make sure my pancakes are not burning. Those are going pretty good. Seems like I got a lot of the chocolate chips here at the bottom. I think what I'm going to do, put it on setting 3 here. Give it a little bit more batter to make a little bit better pancake. And so that's how you use the batter mixer and dispenser to make pancakes. I think the next time when I make them, if I make them plain, then, you know, the batter is going to come out a lot easier, and I'm just going to have to use one push of the handle to make the pancake. So just making something simple for dinner, you know, tonight, and then also we're going to make some whipped cream to put on the pancakes as well. So thanks for watching. Also, you know, if with Pampered Chef, you know, we try to make kitchen prep and meal making fun. So if you are interested in wanting to host a party where you can get discounted as well as free quality kitchen products like this skillet here, or the batter mixer, or the whipped cream maker. Let me know. And then also you have an opportunity, if you host a party, that you can also get, if you host a party as your launch party, you can also make money on the party by having your friends come over. We'll make some meals and you can use the equipment. It's a win-win situation. 2 to 3 hours, nice social gathering over food and friends. So thanks for watching. If you're interested, just message me and I can give you more details.